Have I mentioned yet that I throw $5 out into the universe and see what comes back? I'm a gambling type of a person. If I lose $5, oh well. That's what this box is about. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what you can get for $5 from a Walmart beauty box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, so I finally received my spring 2021 beauty box. I struggle to call it a beauty box. I'm going to start referring to it as my $5 box from Walmart, which will contain some form of beauty products. Almost always they are samples of skincare, hair care, some makeup, that are travel sizes and sold at Walmart. I also refer to this as my puzzle box because it sounds like a puzzle. This box is technically free. You heard me right, free, and you pay $5 for shipping and handling. In my brain, I'm just tossing $5 out in the world and seeing what comes back to me in the form of something beauty related from Walmart. This subscription is quarterly or seasonal, and this will be my 4th box, but technically my 5th box, because for whatever reason I received 2 of the fall 2020 box. Don't know how, don't know why, but luckily I got one of each iteration, and if you're curious you can check them out in the link above. Okay, let's see what Walmart has to offer. Oh, okay. I see something full size. Don't know that I can use it, but let me just grab it. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hair scrunchies. That's pretty good because I've received hair scrunchies in other boxes and you either get 1 or maybe I think I've gotten 3. So 5 in these neutral cream and brown, and then here is a leopard print. That's nice. All right, let's see what the card says, how much this is valued at. Okay, so per the card, I don't know, it says $4.97 to $7.97. Apparently, maybe every box got something slightly different. I will look online and let you know the price on screen. All right, let's move along to the next item. What are these? This is Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure. Lasts up to 14 days, and you get 20 gel nail strips. Okay, well, if you've been to my channel before, you know Mama don't do her nails, but this will be in a lovely giveaway for any of you who are interested in doing your nails and love nail products. And if you haven't done so yet, go check out my 500 subscriber giveaway video that has all information on what you need to do to participate. Moving along to the next item. Have I mentioned yet that I throw $5 out into the universe and see what comes back? I'm a gambling type of a person. If I lose $5, oh well. That's what this box is about. Okay, so the next item is, Tanologist. Us pasty pales. I'm always into, like, how can I not look so dead? This is a face and body drops. Little itty bitty sample, 0.02 fluid ounces. From Tanologist. Well, that's nice. If I like it, maybe I will order the full size. All right, next item is, hello. What are you? Antiplaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. Oh, we got ourselves a whitening toothpaste. What does the card have to say, if anything at all accurate? Okay, so full size is 4 ounces and retails for $3.99. This here is a 1 ounce sample. So if I could do math quickly, this is about $1. Okay, next item. Ooh, what is this little itty bitty teeny tiny sample? This is a hydrating primer from Hard Candy. So the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer, full size, retails for $6.96 for 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, and we received here a 5 gram or 5 milliliter sample. Okay, last item is a very tiny sample from Olay, which is the Ultra Rich Hydrating Moisturizer. And the full size retails for $28.94 for 1.7 ounces or 50 milliliters. And this little guy is 5 milliliters or 5 grams. Grams, milliliters, same diff. Okay, so there you go. For a Walmart $5 box, this is a pretty good one. Particularly this item here, although for me personally, I have short hair and can't use scrunchies, but if I did have longer hair, this would be awesome. Whitening toothpaste, we all brush our teeth. I've never tried anything from Hard Candy, and for Walmart, this is the closest thing to makeup we received, so I'm excited to give this a try. Olay, come on, give a bigger sample. I feel like this is even smaller than what you get from, oh, well, at least it's full. From, I was going to say, Sunday Riley. Yeah, it smells like Olay. They have a very distinctive kind of flowery scent. I'm super excited to try this self-tanner. And comment down below if you do your nails and would be interested in such a product. Sadly, no, not going to happen. Okay, I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of everything we received. And let me know, would you ever get this box for $5? I'm always curious. For me, $5 is nothing. I like getting surprised. And actually, I have found a few products that I enjoy from this box. One is this Nyx Lip Oil, where I recall when I did the original unboxing, I was like,
oh my god, who's gonna wear turquoise blue?
It's lovely. It doesn't actually look blue. That's what it looks like. So why it looks turquoise, I do not know. That's what it looks like. And what I find, if I have a lip product that's too warm or clashes with my eyeshadow, if you put this on top, it's kind of like a purpley blue, but looks pink. Anyways, it adjusts the color on my lips, and I love this product and use it all the time. So if I didn't have the Walmart $5 beauty box, I would not have discovered this. So that is fantastic. All right. I want to appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by, and leave me a comment. Click the little thumbs uppy. Super easy and free to you. Helps me out. And I will see you next time. Thanks, everyone.